Hey loves, I'm outside because I'm so excited about today's video. I have curated a beauty summer edit. Thank you so much to Walmart for partnering with me on this video. Walmart.com has brought you prestige products at an affordable price over on Walmart.com. These products that I'm highlighting today are going to give you a quick out the door summer glow, definitely protected with SPF. These products are high performance, high quality, but it's not going to break the bank. Nothing is over $50 in this video. So let me show you how to get this look. All right, so let's start with the hair. This is Sexy Hair Texture Beach In Spray. I have used these sprays for years. Whenever I want an easy out the door hair look that looks summery and beachy, I just have my hair out of the shower and I'm going to towel dry it really good and scrunch it. This works well even if you just have a light wave to your hair. Now, curly hair girls, you don't need to do this part, but you really want to make sure you're getting that root nice and scrunched up. Like think 80s hair diffuser. That if I had one of those, that's what I would use. All right, so hair is scrunched and volumized. You're going to spray this at the ends all the way up to the root and continuously scrunch. So what this does is this mimics salt water. Don't you love when you get out of the beach, out of the water, out of the beach, and your hair just feels like beachy and kind of flowy and has a really nice like little wave to it? That's what this will give you. And as it dries, it has a little bit of hold to it. A little bit does go a long way, so make sure that you put it in and let the hair air dry while you do your makeup. All right, for the skin, we're gonna go in with this Avon Compact. It is SPF, it's a tinted SPF, which is one of my favorites to use because you're gonna get a little bit of coverage as well as some great SPF 50. I'm in color beige and I'm gonna actually make it really easy and use the little sponge that comes in the compact. It's gonna give the skin a really nice glow and you're going to feel very dewy, but yet have great coverage for SPF. And I bring it all the way down my neck. And this is great to pop in your purse for touch-ups as long as you don't have powder on. Look at that glow on the skin and it gives just a really great, very light tinted coverage. And if you want just a little bit more coverage with this, let this dry and set down and then you can kind of go over and fine tune the areas that you need a little bit more coverage. Also, what I love about this is that it is water resistant as well as this is a mineral SPF. Now, this is a product that I really want to introduce you to. It's by a brand called Tula. They're an amazing skincare brand. This is called Glow Go and Get It. It is a cooling eye serum. It has caffeine, which is going to help with dark circles, as well as hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, probiotics. So it's going to be your kind of skincare and illumination in one. The reason why I started using, see how that glow gets right there? The reason why I started using an illuminating eye balm is because when you have illumination, just a little bit, one that's meant for the eyes, it actually kind of diffuses and tricks the eye from seeing less prominent fine lines and wrinkles. And then I just tap this in. It's so cooling. It feels amazing on the eyes for this time of year. And this is always before concealer. And this product is not gonna add to any kind of fine lines or wrinkles because it is so thin, it is so fine, and it is literally just like a serum. So you don't have to feel weird about layering this with concealer. And that caffeine is amazing for depuffing that under eye area. Okay, I just put a little concealer on and I did bring it on the inner eye because we're not gonna mess around with a ton of eyeshadow today, just to brighten up this area. All right, so let's jump into this buxom liner. I have been loving it. I choose brown during the summer and actually all year round just because it adds a lighter effect but still gives eye definition. So it's not as harsh as black. This is the Power Line by Buxom in Bossy Brunette. And if you can see, it has a really nice defined line. It's not rounded, it's actually straight. So it helps with application. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to go on the top and give this a little bit of color. And I'm going to kick this out. Now this is long wearing. Everything for summer that I'm doing is gonna be long wearing, especially I live in the desert. So I need stuff that's gonna play well with the heat and humidity that you guys might have wherever you're from. I'm gonna take a cotton bud and I'm going to gently smudge this out. You can also use your favorite brush, whatever. Sometimes I like a cotton bud because I can just dispose of it. And all I'm doing here is just diffusing the line so it's not so harsh. It looks a little more natural. See how it really frames that eye? Love it. Okay, so eyeliner is on and done. We always need a waterproof mascara, at least I do in the summer with all my sweat. I have been loving this La Roche-Posay waterproof mascara. The brush is small, but also not too compact. I did curl my lashes really quickly. And I love to layer waterproof mascara because it really gives a nice staying power. So we're gonna do 2 coats. I'm gonna do the first one, let it dry, and then come in with the second. So here's the first coat, and we're gonna go in with the second one. And my lashes are nothing to write home about, but this seems to give them a nice length and volume. So then to add a little color on the cheeks, we're going in with this Bare Minerals Gen Nude. It's a blush bronzer, and it's in Kiss of Pink. And I like this color because it's really good. It's really universal because it's both kind of peachy and pinky, and it's not too hyperpigmented, but it'll give you a nice glow. And then for my face shape, we're going to start on the apple of the cheek and bring it up nice and high. Isn't that a pretty color? I love that. I've worn these blushes for a very long time. They're definitely in rotation with my others. Lasts forever. Look at that pretty blush. I love it. So soft yet so perfect for summer. All right, let's finish up with a little bit of lip. I like a more of a nude lip, so we're gonna go in with Buxom. This is the Powerline lip liner in Hush Hush Henna. This is actually called Full On, and it's really a plumping lip matte. So it will stay on forever, and you can add just a chapstick on top of it if you want. But again, it has that beautiful edge. I love that they're all doing this now with a blender on the end, so that's helpful. Since we don't have a ton on the eyes, I like to go a little bit more on the lips. I love how smooth that goes on. Let's pop this lip plumping on, lip plumper. And see how I choose to go a little bit lighter with the actual lip product rather than the liner? It helps to kind of build dimension in its own. And I do like to apply matte lip products over a chapstick, which I already had on. All right, I just threw on some brows, and I'm gonna pop on some earrings. My hair is not completely dry, but what I like to do is I like to give it a little fluff. Yes, I go full 90s, 80s, little wave up here because it gives me height and dimension to my face. We are literally out the door in less than 10 minutes, and I think this look looks so glowy and dewy and very summery. I'm so excited that Walmart has brought these prestige products that are still affordable, are gonna give you this great glow, great protection. They've given that to us on walmart.com. Let me know what products you're using right now that you are loving, that's giving you that summer glow. And thank you all so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves. Let's do